In order to connect to Wi-Fi on Windows 11, there's a couple of things you need to do and know. First things first, if you're on a laptop or a desktop computer, most of the time it'll have a built-in Wi-Fi adapter. But if your laptop or PC doesn't have one, you can always purchase one on Amazon that you can plug in via USB. I'll link to a couple of those in the description of this video. But once you have your adapter either built-in or external, you want to go ahead and go to settings. So go ahead and go to your search bar, type in settings. It's the gear icon as you see here. On the left-hand side, you want to click into network and internet. And then once you're here, you want to make sure at the top where it says Wi-Fi that it is enabled and turned on. And then just click into it as I've done here. And the easiest way to go about doing this is going to show available networks. And then as you can see, here is my home network. Once I click on it, I go ahead and check connect automatically and then hit connect. If there is a password required, you'll just type in the password and you should know it, and you are good to go. Just remember that you want to be safe and secure, so only connect to networks that you know or that you know are secure. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If you have any further questions, please put those in the comment section. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.